Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to export a single project from Basecamp. All right, so start by opening up your Basecamp account. Now, once you're in here on your dashboard, just go ahead over to the top right and click on Admin Land. Okay, click on it and then go ahead and scroll all the way down and make sure, by the way, that you are the owner of the project. If not, you won't be able to see the export data from this account option. Okay, so again, find export data from this account, click on it. And in here, just go ahead and find the specific project that you wanted to export. For example, there's a YouTube project right here. I'm just going to tap on it. And then once done, I'm ready to go ahead and click on Export My Data. All right. Do keep in mind, depending on the size of your export, the download process may take some time. So just patiently wait. Okay. It says here when it's done, we'll email you a download link that'll include all your data in a website. You can open it in a browser or computer and click through anytime. Every project gets a folder with all the images, PDFs, spreadsheets, docs, etc. all in one place. All right, just click on Export My Data. And it says here, we're bundling up the export for you. Now, as you can see here, as fast as that, I have mine ready. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Download My Export. And it's going to go ahead and open up a download page. Save it wherever you want. Rename it if you want to, and then hit on save. Then let's go ahead and check it out right here. As you can see, it is now saved as a RAR file. I'm going to double click on it. There you go. That is it. That is how you export a single project from Basecamp. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.